Hello and happy Thanksgiving. This is Alex from the National Weather Service in Pocatello, Idaho, with your Eastern Idaho weather and hazard briefing for Thursday, November 26th. Taking a look at the key points for today's briefing, we'll continue to see some lingering snow showers early this morning over the South Hills, the Bear Lake area, and the higher terrain areas between Interstate 15 and the Wyoming border. But that activity will be ending early this morning. Behind the snow that we saw over the last day or so will be widespread low clouds, some patchy fog, even some flurries, and perhaps some patchy freezing drizzle, but we don't expect much in the way of flurries or freezing drizzle. It should be very light and very patchy. The fog and low clouds will be more widespread, though, and that'll be impacting mainly valley areas, the Snake Plain in particular, and eastern Magic Valley as well, at least through Friday. Otherwise, the next chance for precipitation in the form of snow showers is not expected to arrive until late Monday and Tuesday. So that'll give us a few-day break between significant precipitating systems. Taking a look at the satellite picture for this morning, you can see the area of cloud cover diminishing here over eastern Idaho. Early on in the frame, you can see some of the blue colors left behind. That was what was left of our snow shower activity, and you can see that dwindling with time and shifting to the south. Otherwise, high pressure is building in across the western U.S., and that high pressure will stay in control through the weekend and bring us mainly dry weather outside of the patchy flurry or freezing drizzle, which again should be very patchy and light through at least Friday. The weather impact summary highlighting the fog and flurry potential for today and tomorrow. Again, mainly in the Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley, but some of the other valleys across the South Hills, Southeast Highlands, and the Sawtooth area could see some fog and flurries as well. But it'll be most widespread over the Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley through Friday. High temperatures today will be on average about 10 degrees colder than what we experienced yesterday. Most locations will stay below freezing today, except for the eastern Magic Valley and the valleys down near the Utah border. Very similar high temperatures for Friday as well, and even going through the weekend and much of next week, we're not expecting much fluctuation in our temperatures at all. And that trend is reflected in the low temperatures as well. These could be a little bit higher, depending on how widespread the stratus is, or a little bit lower should the stratus clear more than we expect. But all that said, this is the official forecast for low temperatures for Friday morning, which solidly below freezing for all areas, and very similar for Saturday morning. And again, we expect across the board similar low temperatures through the week, perhaps a little bit warmer Tuesday morning with a cold front passing through, but generally don't expect much change. With the exception of the Tuesday system, we expect dry conditions to build in from Wednesday all the way through next weekend, and that's reflected in the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook here, which indicates strong odds of below average precipitation through December 4th. And in terms of temperatures, the results under a ridge of high pressure is a bit more mixed. Typically, valleys will be near to below average temperatures beneath inversions, and the areas across mid and upper slopes above the inversion tend to be just above normal for temperatures. And so that's the expectation here over the next 6 to 10 days, with high pressure lingering around for several days, from the middle to later part of next week. We could see some air quality concerns, and we'll continue to monitor that. What about winds? Well, the breeziest days will be starting on Sunday as the ridge of high pressure shifts off to the east. We'll start to see an increase in down valley flow, so northeast to east flow across the eastern Magic Valley. So we'll see gusts likely in the 15 to 25 mile per hour range starting late Saturday night, Sunday night, and into Monday, as you can see here. And notice on Monday, which is a common occurrence ahead of storm systems and cold fronts, we start to see the increase in southerly flow across the South Hills. Monday night and Tuesday will be a bit breezy as a weak area of low pressure and associated cold front moves through the area. So the typical locations in westerly flow down near Pomerel and Idaho and Yale, and in the high terrain south of American Falls, We'll see the breeziest conditions in this regime, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Some gusts higher than that out of the west with this system. So to summarize, snow showers. Any lingering snow showers will end early this morning across the South Hills, Bear Lake region, and high terrain areas near the Wyoming border. Behind all that activity, though, we'll see widespread low clouds, patchy fog, and flurries through Friday, mainly in valley locations, particularly the Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley. Otherwise, the next chance of snow showers is not expected to arrive until Monday night and Tuesday. That concludes today's briefing. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, feel free to reach out to us using the various contact mediums you see here. Otherwise, have a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Thank you.